Look, I want to thank our friends at Ferrico for sending me this 99.99% copper magnetic bracelet. There's a bunch of benefits cited for wearing copper. I wear it all the time, as you see. If you've seen this channel before, you see that I'm wearing always this copper ring, and now this beautiful bracelet goes perfect with my copper ring. Let me show you. Let me take it off because I want to show you how beautiful this looks, right? It's very important, of course. It has its benefits, right? But also, it has to look cool, right? It has to look cool, right? You see how beautifully made that is? It's 99% copper and it's magnetized. This bracelet specifically has 57 magnets, right? You see those, it's rows of 3. You see them right there? All of them are magnets. Really nice. And why do I wear copper, right? So I've been wearing copper because it helps with improved circulation. It lowers inflammation. It's great for sleeping, right? That's why I'm always wearing copper. So I wear this little ring all the time, but I'll wear other rings right there. And it's great for energy balance.